Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now by assessing the drip. Is it oil-based versus water-based paint? Because the solvent choice depends on that. Once identified, remove loose edges with a plastic scraper or a single-edge razor. Hold at a shallow angle to avoid gouging. Make sure to test solvent on an inconspicuous spot. Use denatured alcohol for latex and mineral spirits for oil. You want to preserve the surrounding finish, so lift only what's raised, and wipe away softened paint with clean rags as you go. Once the raised mass is gone, soften any residue and blend the area. Apply solvent sparingly, blotting to lift, not smear, so you avoid spreading paint. Then sand and light, controlled passes with fine grit sandpaper. Follow the grain or brush direction, using a sanding block to keep pressure even. Make sure to feather the edges so the repair is smooth. Wipe frequently with a tack cloth to remove dust, and inspect under bright light to confirm the surface is visually uniform before touching up. You finish by priming any exposed substrate, then apply matching paint in several thin coats. Allow full drying between coats to avoid new drips. If texture differs, replicate it with a thin glaze or a stipple brush to match the original finish. Practice on scrap first. Make sure to blend edges into surrounding paint. If problems appear, lifting or a visible halo, resand the spot lightly and repeat the prime and paint sequence. This repetition is the reliable way to solve stubborn defects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.